Hi everybody. I'm from Bargain Warehouse, as I tell you, and now we signed the authorized dealer for Walton in the Caribbean islands, South America, and the Middle East, and hopefully in the USA very soon. And I have the first shipment as authorized dealer gonna leave Bangladesh. The loading is tomorrow, and they have nice ACs. And I've been introduced with them. I met them in Canton Fair. And let me show you something. Hello, Walton.
Hello.
AC start.
Okay, start.
AC off.
Okay, AC off.
As you see, this is with voice command. You can control your AC. And you have one of the ACs. They have this digital screen. You can control everything in your room. Of course, through your phone, and it can tell you previous day how many kilowatt consume electricity, how much you do power running, everything. So you can control it with your phone, or you can see it in the digital. And also they do, by the way, they do commercial RF ACs for big project, commercial, which is very good. And I'm thinking, inshallah, next shipment we're gonna work with this big ACs for big project, commercial. And they have the cassettes. One, even for the stores and big malls, which is I buy from these already, and I buy from all these styles. So I recommend it, strongly recommend Walton, and they are the best #1 selling AC in Bangladesh. They have 24-hour service. I went to their service center, I saw the helpline, and this company really, I'm impressed with Walton. All the best, good luck, thank you.